What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, this is the afternoon episode where we're going to be talking about most of the major meme coin cryptocurrencies. If you guys watched this morning's episode, you would know that almost every single cryptocurrency is dumping in today's market. Market overall is down 7.8%. Market is at 79 on the Fear and Greed Index, so a very small, subtle correction on that, but every crypto is starting to tank and reverse. Every single one. There's very little that have been left out here. Bitcoin's already down 7, Ethereum's down 8, Solana 10, XRP 4.9, 12 in Doge, Cardano's 8, Avalanche 12. You know, everything is falling. Every single cryptocurrency is correcting in this market, and honestly, that's okay. Lots of things we're going to have to talk about. I cannot believe, how is this a number 30 coin? Dog with a hat is trading at number 31 with, wow, that's nuts. Whatever. Insane market that we're in right now, but regardless, cryptos are dumping, and that is okay, and I would like to explain why. But we're also going to have to look at cryptos like Shiba, Floki, as well as Dogecoin, as those are our top cryptocurrencies to discuss, meme coins to discuss today, and hopefully you guys stick around to the end because there's lots of important things to go over and discuss as to, is it time to short? Did we miss out on this correction, or is there still time to get in? Anywho, before I go any further, I just want to let you guys know that BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange, is still giving away an airdrop of $200 worth of Shiba Inu to 4 lucky people, completely free. All you got to do is use the link down in the description below. Sign up to BidFi if you haven't already, or join if you already have, and it's literally that simple. They're also giving away $200 in free USDT to those who make their first deposit, so make sure to join that in the link down below as well. And then lastly, if you guys want to join the BidFi anniversary giveaway here, they're giving away $20,000 in USDT. This prize pool, I will put that link down in the description below as well for you guys to enter and register to win and share in a $20,000 prize pool. That's super cool. It's for their 4th anniversary here. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's video. So with everything falling in the crypto markets here, we definitely have some stuff to go over. Believe it or not, we were talking about potential rises in a lot of these cryptos. Basically, we just saw most of the major meme coins just break out within these markets here. You can see we were pretty much tracking the breakout. Watch for this right now on Shiba. You can see right here, Shiba is continuing its breakout to the upside here. And as you guys know, what goes up must come down. And it's about that time where we're starting to see the descent in a lot of these cryptos as you pull to the downside here. Now, that doesn't mean these aren't going to be moving up in the near future. I still believe that that is going to happen. But for the time being, we are starting to correct. And this is where things get a bit interesting. So we have a beautiful bull flag forming on Shiba, which you can see we did break out of. Here's the flagpole, the flag down. Here's that breakout opportunity, which we had and we were able to long. We got rejected off a clear price ceiling. And we said if we can confirm closure above this, that would open up a door to buy in and long to the upside here. But we didn't. We actually fell lower, which goes against this kind of bull flag breakout. Now, it is possible that we can continue to scale a higher low pattern here, because this is a new low. So it's quite interesting to see how we're going to react to a lot of these cryptos. If anything, we have to let the fall continue. I do think there are some very subtle and solid support levels that maybe not a lot of people are talking about. They're probably only mentioning the correction that's taking place, not so much where that bottom could be. And that's kind of what I want to illustrate and show you guys today, is that I do think a lot of these cryptos like Shiba would be hitting bottoms closer to supports down here. We have a bottom at 0.00002406. You can see where previously in Shiba Inu we bounced, reversed, and started to head back up. If anything, we can actually pull these supports up because you can see where we ideally found that bottom support right here. So you can see now that we have this as a floor, there's a good chance we're not going to be breaking through that. Still a chance we can continue to correct lower here, but I think it's going to put up quite a big fight at here. And if you already are in the short, then get ready to take profits closer to this support right here, because there's a chance we're not actually going to be breaking through this and that we might actually be able to rebound off of it. That's just my 2 cents here. A lot of these cryptos also show signs of potential floors and then starting to reverse up. Remember, the Bitcoin halving is April 19th. We spoke about this earlier this morning here, that the Bitcoin halving is coming. And that's a big thing, Bitcoin halving, that you guys do not want to miss out on. So you can see right here, if I pull it up, Bitcoin halving becomes more volatile than ever. It comes April 19th. So if I could pull it up, April 19th, or they're saying on April 21st, the inbit code will reduce. So it's between the 19th and the 21st is when we will historically see that halving take place. And that ideally we would expect to see the markets correct to the upside here. I covered an article this morning that I can't seem to find right now, but basically what we see is about a 20% dip in the market, or a 20% rally in the market for Bitcoin prior to the run or to the halving, and then about a 360% rally after the halving here. And I wouldn't be surprised if all these other cryptocurrencies, which are clearly dependent on the success of Bitcoin, also have a reaction with the price as well. So even though we're starting to sell off here, things are going to get, consolidate as we near the 19th, which is right around here. We'll consolidate, good chance we'll rebound off. I do believe we could hold support here. This little correction is not scary in any sense right here. It's how we react with this floor. But ideally, I do believe that we'll start to see continued movements to the upside, probably right after that. Now, this could be opening up something much bigger here, just starting to pan out. Like, it's possible we could extend this out. I don't think it's that accurate, but there is a huge possibility we could be extending this gap right here. I know that's nuts. I know that's crazy, but now look at how things start to appear. Now it looks a little bit weirder as we are still using the price ceiling as a means of resistance as we start to correct lower. It's very possible that we could be scaling lower, and it does open the doors for lower movements here. But regardless, that does also say, okay, maybe we did hit a top and we won't necessarily be continuing to correct off that as big of a possibility as it is. That's a new one here if we extend that out. So let me know what you guys think about that down in the description, in the comments below. Now, moving forward to Floki, and then we'll wrap things up with Doge here. Bit interesting. I can't say I'm surprised, though. A lot of these cryptos are due to correct. A lot of them are. They've already seen the major rebound and run within most of the major cryptos over the past couple of weeks here as we've bottomed off right around March of 2024 and started rally up. Simple with Floki, you could see we had a very tough time breaking through price ceiling. We did it, and now we're going to start our descent. Again, probably down to support right over here. And that same thing is very similar with Doge. You can see with Doge, after seeing a major rally reversal up here, rejection off top, we corrected lower, and we're kind of seeing a very similar pattern happen here. We're probably going to correct and dip back down as well. This is too early to find some sort of support up top or some sort of resistance. There's a support nonetheless, but there's a good chance a lot of these cryptos are going to walk themselves back down to more neutral levels over the next week, and then we might be able to see some reversals off that. So it's a bit interesting, that's for sure. With a lot of these cryptos, everything is starting to descend downwards here, every single thing. But with the halving right around the corner, I don't think it's going to last. I think it's temporary. I think it's a very quick and subtle correction followed by a reversal afterwards when that halving does come around. And that's my main focal point that you guys need to understand in today's video, is that this is a temporary correction. Short term, we've been waiting patiently. We haven't really been trading, and you can see I haven't been making many videos on Shiba recently the past couple of days because we've been pretty much at a stagnant market movement here. This has been pretty stagnant. You can see on Floki. SHIB's been pretty stagnant too with the rally to the upside here. Clear rejection off top. But for the most part, a lot of these cryptos weren't seeing any big moves. Now that we're starting to see the bigger picture here, it does open up some new opportunities here. How are we going to react with this? This is a new one for sure, this downtrend here. This also shows maybe only 2 points of price healing, so that might be something as well to consider here. But again, let's see how we react with the floor. We break through the floor, then we'll buy in with an anticipated short to the downside. Otherwise, we might be able to rebound off that, or at least consolidate for the most part until that halving comes. Same thing goes with Floki as well as Doge, with the potential correction on a moving average. But with that all being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Make sure to check out BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use. All the cryptos that I mentioned are offered on BidFi. SHIB. A lot of you guys are asking, how do you get SHIB? Literally, it's called 1,000 SHIB USDT. They also have Doge, and then they even have Floki as well, 1,000 Floki right here. All that's doing, why it says 1,000, is they're moving it. You can see the zeros here. So 1,000, they move it so that they can just write 0.15, so on and so forth like that. So hopefully that makes sense here. But if you do decide to sign up with the link down in the description to BidFi, also make sure to check out the welcome rewards here, where you can claim over 2K in free rewards as well. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.